Hi, I'm Mark Louis Makiling, and I'm excited to apply as your next medical virtual assistant. I am a licensed medical technologist with over 2 years of hands on clinical experience where I work closely with both patients and other healthcare professionals in a fast paced environment. Over the past few months, I've also completed several intensive trainings equipping me with the skills in EHR EMR navigation, appointment scheduling, scribing, and many more. I am also HIPAA certified, ensuring full compliance of patient confidentiality and data security. In addition, I also hold a certification as a biosecurity, biosafety, and biorisk officer, which strengthens my commitment to safety and accuracy in every task I perform. What sets me apart is my strong medical background combined with my adaptability in virtual healthcare. I bring not only technical expertise, but also a patient centered mindset where I can be reliable, detail oriented in supporting your clinic's workflow efficiently and professionally. I am very excited to be a part of your team, not just a medical virtual assistant, but someone who truly understands the responsibility of handling healthcare operations with care and precision. Thank you very much.